Question mark. I love my family very much. We're close as close can be. They tell me all about themselves, know everything of me. My oldest brother, what's his name? Is really quite a guy. The second oldest, something else, is just a little shy. My little sister, Who's What's It, takes care of the pets. She walks with dog and talks with bird and takes them to their vets. My parents are a perfect pair, both dad and charming mother. They took us on a trip to see our great aunt some or other. And all the cousins were there too. There's Hey and you and Feller. And sweet old Gramps was there as well. He's quite the storyteller. He told us tales of growing up until the big surprise. All his sons showed up at once. And he exclaimed, "You guys!" Later on, I didn't know we'd packed to leave the park. My father called me from the car, said, "Come on, question mark!"